Still captioning your videos manually? This is going to save you so much time. InShot's auto captions cover over 100 different languages like Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, Vietnamese, and more. So whatever language you choose, you can generate captions in seconds. In text, press Auto Captions, press Start, and Auto Captions will automatically detect the language you're using. Still captioning your videos manually? This is going to save you so much time. Or you can also select the language of your choice. To reach a wider audience, turn on bilingual captions. Pick out a template and start to generate your captions. Stop doing this the slow way. Try auto captions now and save this video for later. Like and subscribe to InShot's channel for weekly editing tricks.